welcome back everyone. Now we are going to install Anaconda. So Anaconda to download Anaconda, you can directly type in Google Anaconda installer. Then you will go to the download Anaconda distribution section over here. You just need to write your email. Once you write it and agree the license, submit it, you will get the new pack. New page will be open over there from where you can download the installer. If your system is Windows, just click here and download Windows. If it is Mac, download over Mac. If Linux, and then you can download Linux. Similarly, sometimes you love to work with a lighter version, that's Miniconda. Then you can also download for Mac, Linux, and Windows. I have already downloaded it, so it is pretty simple, straightforward. Just click on a download and it start downloading. My In my system there is no Anaconda at the moment, so I just want to install it and show you how to install it. Just double click on it. Double click on it and it start to run. Okay, once you click it, then you need to agree the license. You can do all user or just for me, and you need to have a destination file folder. Leave as it is, just to install, and it is installed. So now you can see that all the extraction process has been completed. Just need to click next and next, and we can launch the Anaconda Navigator and start Anaconda distribution. Okay, let's finish it. Once you finish it, by default, it will open one browser as well as Anaconda Navigator will be launched. Okay, it is opening in this browser. Just cancel it. No need to see, check anything. Just go over here and type Anaconda Navigator. And once it is here, you can just run it. Okay, currently now let me cancel on. Okay, currently now my home environment have Jupyter on it, and we can launch Jupyter. We'll work in a Jupyter notebook. So if you go an environment, there is just a base environment. So we need to create our own environment for GDAN and start working on it. So next part will be on installing a new environment and basic setup so that we can run a command. We can run in Jupyter Notebook the GDAL package. Thank you for your time. Let's meet in the next session.